Conversation 1.
I have to work tonight.
Really? I don't have to. Today is my day off. When do you start?
At 7, but I have to leave early to beat the traffic.
Yeah, you need to get going.
What about you? What are you doing today?
Nothing exciting. I need to go grocery shopping, and I have to mail a few things.
Sounds like fun stuff.
Yeah, I know. But I have to do it today, or else it won't get done.
Conversation 2.
What are you doing today?
Nothing. I'm free all day. What about you?
I have to do yard work today. My yard looks like a mess.
Really? What do you have to do?
I have to cut the grass, trim the hedges, and pull the weeds.
Sounds like fun. I love gardening.
Really? I hate it, but I have to do it. My yard looks like a jungle right now.
Would you like me to help? I love working outdoors.
I'd love some help. You don't have to, though.
No, I want to help. It's relaxing. I don't have a yard, so I never get to do it.
Great. Can you come over around 10?
Yes, that works. See you then.
Conversation 3.
Do you have to wear a suit for work?
No, but I have to wear slacks and a tie. What about you?
Yes, everyone has to wear a suit. It's mandatory.
What a hassle. How many suits do you have?
Just 2 for now, so I have to be careful with them and not get them dirty.
Why don't you just buy a few more suits?
I want to, but I must save money first.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
Conversation 4.
What are you doing over the summer break?
I'm working at a summer camp. This is my 3rd season doing it.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What do you do for your job?
Basic outdoor stuff. I take kids on hikes or go river rafting with them.
I'd love a job like that. How long is the camp?
6 weeks. But you must work every day, and you must stay at the camp.
I wouldn't mind that. Are they hiring?
They are, but you have to have a driver's license and be a good swimmer.
I see. Well, I have a driver's license, and I'm actually an excellent swimmer.
Well, then you should apply. But you must do it by April 15th.
Okay, I can do that. How do I apply?
You just have to go to the website and apply online. I'll send you the web address.
Thanks. I'll definitely apply. It sounds like a fun job.